Yay! So let's get started. Do you think this is going to be a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's show them.
Olaf!
So yeah, it's Olaf, and it has a castle and a wand.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of other ones too.
Yeah, you can collect.
Mm-hmm.
And you can stack the muscle too.
So let's start. Manny.
Kids
Okay.
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
are dangerous for
Scissors are dangerous for kids, so make sure you have parental supervision.
yeah. If you want something out of the thing that you're told that something is in something, then you have to ask your sister, daddy, mommy, papa, or grandma to cut it with scissors.
Someone that's big.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a little surprise box. Surprise figure inside.
Yeah. Nice.
Here, let me help.
I love little heads.
So
Love
this
ones
then.
love the little heads. There's a little door. There's a little ice bucket. Do you see it? And it has a little
So it comes with a little
handle.
chair,
Looks like
and
we've
it
got
has
this.
Olaf,
Let's see what
and this is what Olaf looks like.
Looks like we have to build up the. Oh, we've got a little wand.
There he
here.
is.
Did anything fall on the ground? Where's the? Do we have more? Hold on.
So it comes with a little wand.
Yeah, and it's safe for Olaf to be with.
And here's this. Has a little door.
Here, let's put a little. Let's put Olaf.
Yeah, let's put the tea up here.
This little wand right there.
So this is the surprise figure. Says surprise figure inside. So Brooke, why don't you open the surprise figure?
Okay.
Can I see that shade? Thank you.
There's a bag inside.
There
Kids.
is.
Mhm.
Do we have scissors? There's also Elsa's coronation.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.